Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, November 30, 2022. Today is the last trading day of the month. The market's been a little bit weak here recently, but we're going to be looking at what has happened historically on the last trading day of the month in a similar market environment. So I've selected all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently the overnight session is pushing higher. It's a pretty quiet range so far, but we are trading higher. So I'm going to add that to the study here by going to the opening filters, gap direction, and clicking on gap up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library. I'm going to use one moving average here. I'm going to use the 200-day simple moving average. Yesterday we closed below it, and I can see that if I scroll down on the active today, you'll see it's listed here. I can click on it right here, or I can do it from this little box as well. So that's been added to the test. And then lastly, in the calendar library, on the active today, I'm going to go to the unique day and click on last trading day of the month. When I do that, it's been added to the test. You can see it comes from right here. The equal sign is selected. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up on the last trading day of the month and the prior session closed below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 27 samples in the ES, which is the S&P 500 futures. We've got 26 here in the NASDAQ. We've got 24 in the Dow, 30 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates on them, they're pretty neutral. S&P coming in, 52% of these have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's 58%. For the Dow, 54%. For the Russell, 47%. On the average moves, the average move to the upside is larger than the average move to the downside for the S&P. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. That is the case in the Dow, and then the Russell is about the same size on average for the moves up and moves down. So historically speaking, 3 of the 4 have larger moves to the upside, and all 4 of them are pretty neutral on win rates. Not a big bias there either way for that one. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.